here we are going to look at working with bank statements. So in this example, it says work out the missing values in this bank statement. Now the missing values in this bank statement are in this column here, balance. So we need to fill in these three boxes here. Some people think that these grey boxes need to be filled in as well, but they don't, and I'll explain that now. So in a bank statement, you can see you've got the date that the money comes in or out, the description of what it is, so for example car repairs or gas bill, and then you can see these terms credit and debit. Now the word credit means that money is coming into your account. So if something is credited, you are gaining that money. Debit means the money is going out of your account. So for example, if you're paying for something with a debit card, then that money is going to leave your account. And then there is a column called balance on the side, which keeps the amount that you have in your bank after each transaction, so after each payment. So the first thing we want to do is work out the balance after the car repairs. So you can see we start off with £1,200 and 55 pence, and then on the 6th of September we pay for some car repairs, and it's a debit, it's going out, so you're paying them £256. So that means you want to subtract that amount from here because it is leaving your bank. So the first calculation we want to do is £1,200 and 55 pence, take away 256. So we're going to use a subtraction sum for this. So 1,200.55, and then your 256 needs to go underneath. So remember, the 200 is going to go under your hundreds column, 56 decimal points lined up nice and neatly, and we are subtracting. So we have 5 take away 0 is 5, 5 take away 0 is 5, point down nice and clearly. 0 take away 6, the 6 is bigger so we can't do that. There isn't any to borrow in your tens column, so we need to go over to your hundreds. So we're going to borrow 1 from the hundreds, so it's going to go down to 1, and we give that 1 to the tens. Now you can see we have 10 tens, so now we can borrow 1 from the 10, which goes down to a 9, and give 1 to the units column. So we now have 10 take away 6 is 4, 9 take away 5 is 4, 1 take away 2, we can't do that because the 2 is bigger, so we need to borrow from this 1 here, that's going to go down to a 0, and give that 1 here. So we have 11 take away 2 is 9, and 0 take away nothing is 0. So £944 and 55 pence, and that can go in this gap here. So £944 and 55 pence after the car repairs. On to the next row now. So you can see it's talking about a gas bill, and because it's a bill, it's going out of your account, so you're paying for the gas. So £81.50 needs to be subtracted from this £944.55. So we're going to do another subtraction sum. So remember, you're taking away your £944.55. You're not using that original balance now. There's £944.55 in the bank, and we're going to take away £81.50. So remember, line it up properly. Tens for the 81, decimal points in line, £50, and we're going to subtract. So 5 take away 0 is 5, 5 take away 5 is nothing, points down nice and clearly. 4 take away 1 is 3, 4 take away 8, the 8 is bigger, so we need to borrow 1 from the 9. So we now have 14 take away 8 to give you 6, and 8 take away nothing is 8. So our balance after the gas bill is £863 and 5 pence. Finally then, you can see on the 24th of September, a salary comes in. It's in your credit, so this comes into your account, and we have £2,010 and 75 pence. And now because this is coming in, we want to add it to the last amount in our bank. So we're going to be adding £2,010.75 to £863 and 5 pence. So if I write the bigger number first, so I'm going to take my £2,010 and 75 pence, and I'm going to add it to the £863 and 5 pence. So remember, we are not subtracting. This is money going into your account, you're adding it. So 5 add 5 is 10, 0, carry that 1, 7 and the 1 is 8, points down, 0 and 3 is 3, 1 add 6 is 7, 0 add 8 is 8, and 2 add nothing is 2. So the final balance is £2,873 and 80 pence.